Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Twitter stories. So the first thing all you want to do is open up your Twitter, and I'm gonna tell you straight ahead that they removed moments in Twitter. You cannot any longer create Twitter moments from your Android or your iOS device. And I think in the beginning of the video I actually said stories. What I meant was moments, so excuse me for that from now. Anyway, the only way to create a Twitter moment now is basically from the Twitter page. And as you can see here, it even says moment creation only available on twitter.com. So you need to go there and navigate to the via three dots on your top navigation bar. Click the create button, title your moment, and import tweets to fill your moment. Like tweets you like, tweets by an account, tweets a search and collection ID, etc. etc. Add the cover by clicking the camera icon and just click add from a Twitter URL, and that's pretty much it. The others are just setting the privacy settings, and that's it. So I hope this helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good one.